So this is my ribs, guys. It's already washed, looking nice and clean, ready to season. So I have some powder season here that I'm going to use to season my ribs. I'm going to use some smoke season. I'm going to use some garlic powder, some black pepper, some all-purpose season, and a little garlic salt, some smoked paprika. I'm going to put everything together, guys, and I'm going to season up my ribs now. So guys, what I do, I go ahead and rub my season into my pork ribs. Okay, so I'm gonna put it in the oven, guys, for about an hour and a half. All right, this now, guys, I'm gonna use this to make a sauce. Okay, this is my brown sugar. This is some butter that I'm going to use. Okay, I'm going to use my honey, and this is just the barbecue sauce that I'm going to use. All right, see you shortly, guys. Okay, guys, so now I'm gonna put it on the rack and stuck it in the oven, guys. As you can see, guys, well seasoned. If you have guys, if you don't have a little rack, you can just put it in a file pan or something to stuck it in the oven. All right, guys, so now I'm gonna put this for an hour and a half and then take it out and then mix my mix a base for it. Okay, see you shortly. All right, guys, so I'm gonna make just a little sauce to baste the ribs. So I have some butter here. Then I'm gonna use some honey. All right, guys, this is some honey. All right, guys, so what I'll go ahead and do, I'll just combine the butter and the honey and the brown sugar together. Okay, guys, so I just took it out of the oven after 30 minutes, and now I'm gonna base it and put it right back in with the base that I prepared. So now, guys, I'm gonna prepare the barbecue and honey and put it aside. So once the rib finish, I can just pour this over it. Okay, guys, so the ribs is finished, looking good. So now I'm gonna pour my barbecue sauce all over it. Look at that, guys. So yummy, guys. Oh my goodness, guys, you have to try the recipe. So good. The honey and the brown sugar with the butter, oh my goodness, it make a big difference. It tastes so yummy. Look at that.